It includes things like digital paintings, animations, videos, and even interactive installations that respond to people's action. At siya may hinanap ang nakita sa mga technology developments, ng mga paintings sa mga technology na. Gagamit nila yung technology to paint. Kumbaga, technology ang nila gagamit instead na wala mga paintbrush ganito. Pero technology nila natin. So next.
So next is Digital Media Art Program, which build digital media skills for government using open source technologies, particularly the beneficiary agencies or organizations, the Culture Center of the Philippines, National Commission for Culture and Arts, state universities, and local government units. So this program teaches digital skills to government groups like the Cultural Center in the Philippines and government and local governments. They learn also to use free technologies to make things like videos and website. Ini na programes bagan nagtutod din nga mga tao kung paano maghimuhin sarili nila nga creative arts nga hindi siya gamitan ang digital tools. Tapos, for example, ini ang mga animation, ang mga graphic design, ang mga group production ngayon, nakikita natin sa mga website like ang mga design, kung tinatawag na web design. Tapos, they also help to share culture and information better with the public. So, Bachelor of Arts in Digital Media. A Bachelor of Arts in Digital Media is an undergraduate degree program that focuses on the creation, production, and management of digital media content. This interdisciplinary program provides elements of art, design, technology, and communication to prepare students for careers in various digital media industries. So, INEA is this program provides pupursuhan nag-enroll ng mga students para ang technology. So, nagamit sila ng mga latest tools and technology to create arts. So, may mga schools na nag-offer program na Central Philippine University, the College of Arts and Technology, tapos ang kami natin Open University na 2 years siya bachelor degree through online lang. So, naman ibang bansa naman ang National University, dami siya pero ano sila ang
So here are some career opportunities para dito ng mga mag-graduate ng mga school. So digital artists, they are the one that create visual content for digital platforms such as websites, social media, and multimedia project. And digital marketer naman, they are the one that develops and implements strategies focuses on promote products or services online using channels like social media, email, and search engine to reach target audience. While ang game designer naman, they are the one that design and develops interactive experiences for video games. Including of this is gameplay mechanics, storyline, and also visual elements. And web designer naman, they are the one that design and builds the website focusing on layout, user experience, and visual aesthetic create engaging online platform. So one of the example of this path is ang digital artist nagdi-design like for example singuntaan mga emoji ang mga cellphone. Meron nagdi-design ng mga emoji, mga basta emojis, something. Tapos ang digital marketer naman, nagpo-post sa mga products niya like Jollibee. Nagpo-post siya na ng product, mga bagan, basta makakaayahan mga tao, bagan, iingan niya ng mga pumalit ito. Tapos ang game designer naman, ang example niya is like Mobile Legend. Meron nagdi-design ng mga games. Tapos ang web designer naman, ang error purpose is ang web designer naman, ang purpose is to bagan same gabi digital marketer nagpo-post gabi ng mga basta mga words o website siya lang.
So, here are the ethical consideration of digital media art. First is privacy. So, we need to respect privacy and to be careful with our personal information. Like for example, mga student, like pwede mag-share ng about personal information because dahil kasi gagamit ito ang ibang mga nalilistang. So, one example natin is yung pwede kita na magpulinan laging na mga website kayo, they are collected our personal data and information. Accuracy and truthfulness. We are presenting information that are honestly and to avoid distortion. So, like for example, a journalist, binibidyoan niya yung mga sources bago niya upload bago na article to ensure ang accuracy and to avoid misleading information. Copyright and intellectual property. So, we need to obtain permission to use others' work and provide and proper grading guide. Kung hindi natin mag-provide ng permiso iniwan sa mga tao, matatawag natin sa mga taga-receive. Cultural sensibility. We are having an awareness and understanding of different cultures, norms, and values, and being sensitive in creating digital media arts. Social responsibility naman, i-consider natin ang broader societal impact na others' work and gagamit na natin skills for a greater good. That's all.